Good morning. Hair looks kind of funny, but it's okay. Going back into work again today at LDV, where I worked this summer and where I was yesterday. And then later, meeting up with some friends, doing a little Insta-Meet photo shoot thing. The guy I met this summer, and actually Jay, the guy I met 2 days ago, is coming too, I think. But first, I want to see if I can return this apple juice. I bought it thinking I was going to be here for like 2 weeks, but now there's no way I can finish this in 4 days. So I don't know, can you return apple juice? Apparently it snowed last night. There's snow on all the cars. I don't know if you can really see it. That's not just glare on the roof, there's actual snow. It turns out you can indeed return apple juice. While I was filming that time lapse, my camera stopped recording, and a guy came up to me and noticed it. I hadn't noticed it, and he told me, and I thought that was very kind, to be able to notice on this small screen as I'm walking by, my camera has stopped recording, and then to stop and tell me, I love New York. Subway is a bit unconventional for breakfast, but I had a gift card thanks to Granny and Grandpa Bob, so it was free. Heading up to work now, time to grind. Fox is now having a play date with a bulldog. Apparently they're having a little fight. Good day's work. I can't show you all of it. Some of the stuff hasn't been released to the public yet, but it was a lot of fun. Sergio is a great boss, very interesting person. Doesn't really communicate verbally a lot. It's all through like little motions. You have to learn how to read him more than listen to him. But he's one of the coolest guys I've ever met. Certainly the best designer I've ever known. And it's always an honor working with him. Not sure if I'll be able to be back. Kind of depends if they can pay me. If they can pay me, I'll work all next week. If not, then I need to head back Monday before I am bankrupt. Heading to do a little photo shoot now with some friends. I met this guy over the summer. He's a photographer and he's really good, and he's having a little meetup, so it was nice to hang out with some people. So I met that guy last time I was here in New York City on like one of the last days, and he's doing a little photo shoot here. He's got a bunch of photographer friends and stuff, so just hanging out there. So I think we're just gonna go tour the city and take some cool pictures. Under the Oculus at the World Trade Centers. This thing is beautiful. It's like the skeleton of a whale. Grant and Jay, the guys I met on the street 2 days ago, arrived with a friend. Someone put a glass ball on the floor and now everyone's trying to gather around to look at it. Like 50 people are trying to look at this glass ball.
That's the sound of the police! That's the sound of the police!
The police came because we didn't have a permit? A permit for what? too. They said no tripods and no changing, then it's professional photography. Well, I changed already, so there. Well, they couldn't come up with an official reason to kick us out, so we got some good pictures and on to the next location. Right in front of the Flatiron now. Apparently there were some cool swings here, but they're all gone now, so we're just gonna get some food now and move to the next location. This tunnel has some mad graffiti. Throwback to when I tried to do graffiti, LOL. This stuff is pretty cool. I've taken lots of great pictures here. Shooting with and got lots of cool photos. I'm sure you'll see them soon. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow.